Hi friends, and welcome back. I'm Jonathan with Total Warehouse. Today we'll be discussing Big Joe's J1 Joy. This unit is greatly used for order selecting. The general arrangement of this unit is you have your front cover that hides all of your hydraulic pumps and electrical components. Just above that, you have your working surface platform. So while you're order selecting and picking, you can stack all of the material. The battery is located in between the operator's compartment and the front cover, right here. The mast towards the back of the operator, and there's an extra storage rail just behind that. The operator's compartment is located in between the battery and the mast. This unit is equipped with a 24-volt battery. There's two options to charge it. Either directly connect it to your charger or utilize the onboard charger and plug it into the wall. Before operating the unit, let's go over some safety features. First, you have two warning lights, one located at the front of the unit and one at the back. Next is your operator control arms. Make sure that they're both working properly. The unit will not work and operate unless both control arms are positioned in a downward position. There is a horn button located just before the fingertip controls on the right hand side. Last is emergency power off switch. If it is engaged, it will be down and the unit will not turn on. To disengage, turn it and make sure that it's up. On the operator's platform, there's a foot switch. This foot switch needs to be pressed at all times while operating the unit. Without it pressed, the unit will not operate. Now you're ready to operate the unit. On the left-hand armrest is your steering controls. On the right side, you have your on and off key switch, your lift button, your lower, and your horn. Behind that is your forward and your reverse controls. Turn the key to start your unit. You will hear it do a self-check. In front of the operator is your display screen. This is where your battery indicator is at, your miles per hour, how many hours the unit has, steering direction, and then below that is your warning signs for the battery, service needed, temperature, operator presence, and parking. Next to that is your data plate with important information such as your model, serial number, lifting height, and capacity. The operator's working surface has dimensions of 31 by 21, and in the rear you have an additional 21 by 13. Simply pull it up and let it drop. In order to put it back, simply lift it up and slide it back into place. There are two caster wheels located on either side of the forklift. This is to help keep it stable. There's one drive tire and steer tire located in the center. This will help propel the unit and steer along its path. In the rear end, you have your load wheels.